in there? What's in there? No, no, it's the alien's mop. Okay. Hello and welcome back, friends, to another episode of Dad the Noob. We've had a bit of a hiatus as we are moving from the East Coast to the West Coast of the United States. This video is a compilation of the things we've seen or done in that time. We'll get back to a more consistent schedule once we are settled. Thank you for your time and patience. Please give us a like, leave us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you like what we're doing. We do appreciate your attention and support. Now, on with the show. The Thing. Don't know what it is, other than Richard's feet. What is it? Don't know. We're gonna find out, though. So, that's the alien riding a dinosaur with a metal hat. This is awesome. Roadside tourist traps. This is great. Meanwhile, dinosaurs rule the earth. You know, first the Big Bang happened, and then the earth cooled, and then dinosaurs ruled the earth, and then the aliens came and colonized the dinosaurs, and they lived in a symbiotic relationship, or so we've been told. Little did we know, the truth was really here along the I-10. The good folks at Bolin setting it up. So obviously the alien species here adhere to some sort of keto body maintenance program because they're all ripped and well endowed by the looks of things. Holy cow. But look at that, they got a nice little butt warmer, little handlebars for the herbivore carnivore harness.
And then there's the
Yeah, incompatible. He ate the alien. Nice. As with every good tyrannical alien species, once they realize the situation has gotten out of hand, they always have to resort to violence, with more violence, in the form of a Earth-destroying asteroid. Yep, ladies and gentlemen, it was the alien species, not a freak phenomenon of cosmic proportions, but rather this evil alien clan sending an asteroid to destroy the now sentient dinosaur population. In the aftermath, well, you know it. They're gunslingers here. What are you shooting at, Alyssa? Mooks, what are you shooting at? Nathan, what are you shooting at? Well, the Gunslinger Gallery, Big Texan Amarillo. If I can make my balls up.
language! That's disgusting.
I gotta be clean.
Language! Not already my father.
Why? Alright.
Someone put that net together.
The struggle between man and fish isn't on.
Okay. Slow. Move down real fast.
Really?
Real slow.
You got it, Nathan. The first fish of the day goes to Nathan.
Now.
All right. All right. Nice, Nathan. Nice. Pull out that last bit right there, Nathan. What do you think, Nathan? What are you doing right now?
Scraping off the scrapes.
The scales?
Scales. You want to take the scales off.
So it won't be that hard.
Well, that wraps up this episode. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. Please be sure to leave us a comment, give us a like, and tap that subscribe button for updates on our future adventures. This is Dad the Noobs signing off.